Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to this informational video about the midterm exam. I just want to give you a little bit of background on what to expect and a little look at the format so you know how to be fully prepared. So if we go into our quizzes tab here, you'll be clicking on the midterm quiz. This is the exam, midterm exam, quiz, whatever you want to call it, on modernism and modernist writers. So you'll go ahead and click on that. And then you can take a look at the instructions here. It says our midterm exam covers all the material we've discussed so far in the quarter, all the work from 1914 to 1945, which pretty much encapsulates the American modernism movement in literature. Please use the study guide I gave you. It's in the modules folder. It's that grid where you've got all of the authors and their pieces of work. You talk about interesting themes and topics. Leave some notes for yourself so you can remember what each of those pieces was about. So you're going to want to complete that before you take the test. You can also use your textbook to help you out. Specifically, you're going to want to be familiar with the passage on modernism and the historical things that were taking place. We talked about that in our PowerPoint located in the modules folder, and we also read about it on page 667 in your textbook, so make sure you're familiar with that passage and all the history that was happening during the modernist movement as well. There will also be some questions pulled from our recorded PowerPoint lectures about the authors. All of those are located in the modules tab also. So glance through those. Hopefully you've already watched all of them, so you know what to look for. And then there may be mentions in our weekly announcements about authors, what kind of things they were known for, all of that good stuff. So all of the things that we've gone over so far in the quarter are fair game for this exam. The exam will take a couple different forms. There will be some matching sections, there will be some multiple choice sections, and then there will be some short answer sections where you will write a paragraph in response to a question. You have 90 minutes to take this test. You get one attempt at the test, so make sure you're fully prepared when you start the quiz. You can use your study guide grid sheet all filled out, and you can use your textbook if you wish to help you be successful in this exam. Sometimes when things are open notes like that, it's easy to be like, I don't have to prepare for it. But the 90 minutes might go pretty fast, so make sure that you do feel ready before you take the exam. You do get one attempt at this exam, so make it count and reach out with any questions you might have. Good luck, guys, and happy test taking.